To other stories, the residents of Loboi Center in Baringo County are facing an uncertain future as rising water levels in Lake Bogoria continues to swallow homes, roads and businesses. There are also fears that the alkaline Lake Bogoria could eventually merge with the neighboring Lake Baringo, a freshwater lake in what leaders and experts warn could trigger serious ecological disaster. Violet Auma with that report.
I think around 6 kilometers.
For years, Loboi Center was a busy trading point serving residents, tourists and communities around Lake Bogoria. Today, parts of the once vibrant center are surrounded by water. Lake Bogoria has been expanding steadily, pushing closer to homes, shops, farms and access roads. The road linking Loboi to Sendai has been partly submerged. Several homes near the shoreline have already been abandoned, property destroyed. Residents say the situation has worsened in the recent months following persistent heavy rains.
Hakuna mtu alikuwa anatarajia maji naweza kufika kwa hii milima. Maji ilikuwa huko kilomita 2.5 hiyo. Ile manyumba ilikuwa imejengwa hapa chini yote imeingia ndani ya maji.
Now we are having students and pupils crossing these rivers to school. That poses a serious threat to their lives. We are now also experiencing human and wildlife conflict. We are having crocodiles in these waters. We are also having hippos in the waters. Also dangerous snakes.
The rising waters are also threatening schools, farms, businesses and tourism facilities.
This is a unique phenomenon. It is a natural happening that we do not know how it started. But if we continue allowing a lot of water coming from Loboi River to flow into Lake Bogoria, it will dilute it. And the life of aquatic flamingos depend on might be threatened.
A dispensary, which is now submerged. It was functional with all the apparatus and all the facilities that are required, including a staff quarter. That is completely gone. If you go to the center around here, it is equally completely submerged.
It may displace 7 villages. Kutoka Chemnerechi mpaka Kapromuno pale. It may affect schools kama Lake Bogoria Primary na Lake Bogoria Girls. It may displace kama kanisa.
Lake Bogoria is alkaline and supports thousands of flamingos and other aquatic species, while Lake Baringo is a freshwater lake. Experts warn that this poses danger to the ecosystem.
Now we have to ask our scientists, our professionals, to come and carry out a study on this area so that we can see what are the short-term solutions.
The hot springs, the geysers in Lake Baringo, Bogoria. We've also had tourists coming to Lake Baringo for tourism purposes. And now we are having a challenge because the waters in Lake Bogoria and Lake Baringo keep on rising.
The crisis mirrors what is happening in other Rift Valley lakes, including Lake Baringo, Nakuru, Naivasha, and Bogoria, whose water levels have risen sharply over the past decade. Scientists have linked the trend to climate change. Violet Auma, KTN.
To security now, police in